Good morning, students. Today I am discussing another topic: outbreeding devices. So, majority of flowering plants or angiosperms produce hermaphrodite flowers or bisexual flowers, and pollen grains are likely to come in contact with the stigma of the same flower. Means majority angiosperms perform self-pollination, and continued self-pollination result in inbreeding depression. Inbreeding depression means to lose the vigor in the offsprings and flowering plants. So for that, flowering plants to develop many devices to promote cross pollination. And here we will discuss some of the devices which promote cross pollination. The first one is decliny. Decline is also called unisexuality. This time flowers are unisexual. So that self pollination is not possible. The plants may be monoecious, example maize, or maybe dioecious, example papaya. And second one is dichogamy. In this type, anthers and stigma mature at different times. And in in self-pollination, there is a contrivance. Both anthers and stigma matured at same time. But in some cases, anthers and stigmas mature at different times in a bisexual flower, so as to prevent self-pollination and promote cross-pollination. And dichogamy is again two types. First one is protandry. In this type, anthers mature earlier than stigma of the same flower, so self-pollination is not possible. Example, sunflower and salvia. Another one is protogamy. It is opposite to protandry. In these cases, stigma mature earlier than the anther of the same flower. Example, mirabilis. It is commonly known as 4-o'clock plant. This is another device that is called prepotency. Pollen grains of another flower germinate more rapidly over the stigma than the pollen grains of same flower. Means foreign pollen grain mature earlier than pollen grain of same flower. The main intention of prepotency to promote cross pollination and prevent self pollination. Example, apple and grapes. Another one is self sterility. It is also called self incompatibility. Pollen grains of a flower do not germinate on the stigma of the same flower due to presence of similar self-sterile genes. S1, S3 gene present in pistil and S1 or S3 gene present in pollen grains. Example, tobacco and potato. Another device is called heterostyle. There are 2 or 3 types of flowers with different heights of style and stamens. The presence of different heights of styles and stamens is called heterostyle. The heterostyle is of two types, diheterostyle and triheterostyle. First one is diheterostyle. There are 2 types of flowers. Dimorphic. Some plants produce dimorphic flowers. There are 2 types of flowers. One flower with long style and short stamen. The other second one is short style and long stamen. So this is one flower and this is another flower, and this flower with long style and short stamen, and this is short style and long stamen. And pollination occurs in the same height of style and stigma of different flowers. Example, primula. Another heterostyle is triheterostyle. There are 3 types of flowers with different heights of styles and stamens. First flower with long stamen and short style, second flower with medium stamen and short style, and third one is short stamen and medium style. So these are the different types of flowers. So this is one flower, and this is a short style, long stamen. This is medium stamen, long style. This is short stamen and medium style. Example, lythrum. So pollination occurs between anthers and stigmas of the same height present in different flowers. And another and last device is called archogamy. It is a mechanical device to prevent self-pollination and promote cross-pollination. Example, in calotropis and orchids, pollen grains occur in pollinia, which can be lifted only by insects. So these are the various devices to promote cross-pollination and prevent self-pollination.